Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add headers and footers in Microsoft Word document. So guys, as we can see, we have this document without headers and footer. So to add header and footer, you can make this setting. So click on this insert tab and in this header and footer section, select any style of header. Same process, you can select footer. Once you click on header and footer, there are some more settings. You can insert date and time with any format. Here type your document title. Document info. So there are some more settings you can apply here. You can change different first page, different odd and even pages. So thanks for watching.